Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to talk about some of our favorite New Balance sneakers. And of course, I'll be joined by a good friend here on the channel. Of course, I'm just talking about Mr. Sean Santa Maria. Babam! Pasok!
Here we go.
Tan 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 tan.
Hello.
Yan, the ultimate New Balance fan. Okay, with that said, let's go. Tan, tan. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, either of our channel, please, well, both of our channels, please make sure that you do so and watch until the very end because we will be announcing a giveaway for this Nike Moonracer. So
Not
this is
available in the Philippines.
This is in size
10.
Size 10. So a size 10 Nike Moonracer. We'll be raffling it away in today's video. So make sure that you watch until the very end. So for this episode, what we'll be doing is very straightforward. We'll just be bringing out like a couple of our favorite New Balance sneakers, some of which are recent acquisitions. We'll talk about the story behind it. And yeah, ganun lang. And by the way, if you have your own favorite New Balance shoes, please join in. Let us know in the comment section what your favorite New Balance pair of kicks are.
Exactly. We need New Balance to resurface.
Team New Balance. Team No Brand / New Balance. Okay, ako muna.
Sige.
So this one is a recent purchase that I have. So this is the, ano tawag mo dito? Elite Gentleman.
Yeah.
Made in England. So I've been wearing this actually to the office. And it's a nice pair of sneakers that you can wear to the office.
It looks like an Oxford. It looks like
yeah. So it even has this nice dust bag that says Elite Gent.
Katcha type.
Diba? Feeling gentleman. Feeling lang. Oh, yan, So I love this mainly because of the quality of the leather and the different types of leather that you have. Because the leather on the side panel is different from the toe box to the collar. So there's just so many textures going on.
Smooth, pebbled.
Yes. And I love the midsole. Of course, the 99 series na midsole is just super comfortable.
Steve Jobs.
So I super love this sneaker. Perfect for the office. Perfect for just, you know, if you want to look a little bit sharper than athletic sneakers. Ikaw, show and tell tayo. Show and tell.
Okay, here we go. I'm pulling this out. At pinalastic ko. Palaging pinag-iinitan ni Carlo
Ay,
sa
nako.
IG ko. Pero
gusto ko nito. Sobrang gusto ko nito. As in talagang panalo talaga.
so these are the 990 V3 Stray Rats X DC.
Dang.
It's called the Joker. Yeah.
Looks really good. Lalo pala when you change the laces, one in orange, one in black.
Yeah, I have one in orange and one in black para may contrast, makita natin ang pagkakaiba. And they look like two different sneakers dahil sa laces.
Yeah.
Ito a little more subtle. Ito yung Joker na mellow na. Yung kapapatay lang, tapos nagwi-whiskey na.
Yeah, but you know what I love about the shoe for the collab? The biggest reason why I love it so much is that they didn't overdo the Joker part.
Oh yeah, kulay lang.
Diba? It's really the color, and the only Joker thing about it is really the print on the insole, which for me made it so much more tasteful. Kasi diba the trend with collabs is that they plaster the face or aspects of the character.
Ganun ka-lazy.
Oh, this one, you know that they thought about it. You know that it was very intentional. Na they wanted to keep it subtle, they wanted to keep it classy, but at the same time, they wanted to appeal to fans of Joker. So that's the reason why among a lot of the DC or even collab sneakers, one of my favorites to. Kaya lagi ako nag-comment when he wears it. It's super nice. Super nice.
There you go.
So I'll probably try to buy one on StockX soon. So this is a new 990 V5. Actually, I think I unboxed this already on the channel before, but I never got around to wearing it kasi natabunan lang siya na sobrang daming shoes. So while I was fixing the bodega...
marami ka palang shoes?
Hindi, konti lang. So while I was fixing the sneaker bodega, I rediscovered this 990 V5 that I bought a couple of months ago. As in months ago. So, nasuot ko na siya once. So, this is the one in black, gray, and yellow. So, I think we showed this before But I never wore it. So, I wore it the once. So, this one. So, it's a 990 V5. Black leather here at the toe, and then you have that suede panel along the ladder on the medial side. I love the gradient style of this. May tawag dito sa strap na to, I just forgot what they called it But there's a name for this
May technical term?
They have a specific name for it. And I love the blue-yellow New Balance along the side.
Yes, parang Michigan.
Oh, gives it that nice pop. So again, really nice 990 V5. Recent purchase. Haven't worn it a lot yet, and it's been sitting in my bodega for a while.
Ano ang most beat up V5 mo?
Ito!
Sunod na natin, the
Hindi.
gray one. V4 yan.
V4 to eh. And then not this one, I brought down the wrong one. So this one kasi is the
Yan
19...
yung super limited.
This is the 1982.
Baliw 82 mo
But the one that I beat up is the gray version of the V4.
More 1,000 pairs globally.
Yeah, so... And I got this for a song. I mean, it was such a good deal. Below retail for this one.
The beauty of being a New Balance person, ano?
Yeah, and you know what? And maybe this is where medyo New Balance fanboy ako for a bit. The quality, the build, the style, everything is just so right when it comes to New Balance. And the best thing about it is that the prices aren't overkill.
Yes.
Diba? And if you wear New Balance...
Demand kasi eh.
It's not as-
People aren't crazy about it because it's not as big as it should be here.
Which is exactly why it appeals, I think, to people.
Yes.
The fact that it's not appealing to a lot of people.
Yes. Ang pinapakita
Mainit-init pa to,
Not necessarily the newest or the most expensive, pero ito yung mga may meaning. Ito, this is meaningful to me because wala dito niyan. This was not released as a general release. It's the Omnis Clippers. Isa sa mga unang lumabas na Omnis. At ayun, wala dito niyan. And recently, New Balance, as you know, released the Omnis here in Manila. Bunch of colorways. Naging common siya to me. And ito,
Pero that colorway ba got released here?
Wala.
Alam ko it's the next batch of Omnis were the one that released.
Wala ito, yes. Only a few Omnis. Ano ba ang plural ng Omnises? Only a few Omnis sneakers. Nilagyan na lang ng second word. Have been released. And recently lang yan. Ito, one of the first drops. Not released, kaya special siya sa akin.
Ako isa pa lang ganyan ko yung baited.
Yung baited. Meron dito nun.
Dito ko na ko yan sa New Balance over at Rockwell BGC. Rockwell BGC. BGC High Street. Yung example.
Saan yun? Malilito si Waze.
It's a special place.
Somewhere only we know.
Correct.
Ayan, so ito. Ayan, next.
Okay, so I don't know if long-time viewers of the channel know that I love brown. It's my favorite color on a sneaker. That's why the Elite Gent is something that I wear often. It just goes so well with like blue jeans, diba? So this one is a light shade of brown. And again, na-rediscover ko to together with the 990 V5 because I actually had this shoe for a while now, and I just never got around to wearing it. So this is the New Balance 997H Cordura Trainers in brown. So this is what it looks like. So the thing I love about this shoe is it's very lightweight. I think that's the hallmark of the 997H series.
Yes.
They're not too heavy. They're easy to wear. They're comfortable. I mean, it doesn't have all the tech of New Balance that you would love. It's more on the softness versus the stability.
EVA and nothing more.
But it's still, the build is still good, diba? And the Cordura fabric I think is nice.
Yes.
So, yun. Pero ako, I like the textures. Diba? You have that leather, tas suede, tas mesh, tas biglang magiging stitching to suede again.
Yes, yung round laces pa.
Yeah, with the different color, diba? Tas yung pop of red and yellow and blue at the back.
Yes.
So, yan yung mga gusto ko sa shoe na to. So, this one, I've worn once.
Linis pa, pwedeng dilaan.
Wag, naapa ko na yan.
Okay.
So yeah, so this one, shout out pala sa kay Shoe Freak PH. So he was the one who hooked me up with this one when he posted it on his IG. Diba? Really nice.
I have to include a 574 in the discussion.
Damn.
The best-selling New Balance sneaker of all time, the most popular New Balance sneaker of all time, the 574. And this is my latest.
It's so accessible kasi pricing.
Yeah,
diba?
price point, design, and the variety, the colors. And this happens to be the Kawhi release.
Inspired
Dream collection. Yeah, ang naiiba lang dito, this is of the more expensive variant kasi yung toe niya hindi mesh, suede din.
Okay.
So ayan, 574 inspired.
Meron ako, naubos na yata. Well, ito. So 997 Desert Heat Pack.
Yan.
So which is apparently going up in price, which is nice on StockX. So I got this one from the outlet store at Mamplasan at 50% off. So I paid like 5,000 yata or 4,000 something pesos for it. And apparently, it's now selling for like over $200.
Exactly. We had almost 300 yan.
I love the colors. When I saw it, it was an immediate buy.
Looks like a rattlesnake.
Actually, medyo nadudumihan na nga if you take a look at it. There's some dirt stain marks, but I don't care. I love wearing this one.
Nice
Super
one.
nice.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it. 997. Anong feel mo dyan? Kasi wedge type yan eh. Medyo nakaangat yung heel yan eh. Nasanay ka na ba sa 997
if you're a heavy guy kasi it's actually better.
Nice.
It gives you support.
Nice.
Lalo na kasi pag heavy guy ka kasi a lot of the pressure is on your ankles and on your heel. And obviously your knees. So this part gives you more support and cushioning to where you need it.
Perfect.
So para sa akin, kaya I love New Balance eh. Kasi a lot of shoes are just soft. Diba? Lalo na the running shoes that are so popular today.
Yes.
But soft isn't necessarily a good thing when it comes to shoes. Yeah, you get that fatigue. Yung V5, the 99 series, the 997, the 991, it's the perfect combination of cushioning, stability, and support. So that's why I'm forever a fan of sneakers like this. So yeah, Desert Heat Pack.
Yan. So ito ang pang finale and it deserves the finale. Speaking of combination of cushioning and support,
Drum roll.
this is the first sneaker that carries the end cap technology.
Man, oh, yun no,
Ito yung pinakamagandang pangit na sneaker.
Correct. The ultimate ugly shoe. Wow. Every 5 years lang to release if I'm not mistaken.
Tama.
Buti ka nakakuha ka pa nito.
Hinabol ko lang to nung umaga nung after the release.
Pero wasn't it on raffle?
It was raffled off and I didn't get picked. And I said, malamang to hindi bumenta ng malaki. So I drove Sunday morning.
And you just tried
to
your luck.
Commonwealth, and when I got there, dalawa na lang naiwan. So, swerte.
Whew! Ganda.
So, ito, it's the
Yeah,
1300
you have to
JP.
tell them the story.
1300 JP meaning Japan. Bakit Japan? For two reasons. When this released in 1985, it was not received widely talaga, hindi naging as popular, but Japan embraced it. So when it was retroed in 1995 for the first time, they put the JP suffix kaya Japan. And additionally, itong end cap, which debuted in this sneaker, it was a partnership with a Japanese polymer company called Moonstar. So end cap is a dual foam eh. Polyurethane and EVA. At yung gumagawa nung a component of this midsole, nasosource lang nila yun sa Japan from the Moonstar company, kaya JP.
Nice.
Yan. So ito, 17,000 friggin' pesos for a sneaker that...
The retail price?
Yes, retail price. And for a sneaker that looks like mabibili mo sa Hacienda. I'm not slighting the sneaker. I've professed my love for New Balance.
It's the quality. It's the quality. I think the leather on this one, I thought it's written, no? Famous Horween leathers. I don't know what that means.
Horween is a leather company that makes baseball gloves, footballs.
Oh, diba? So ganun kaganda yung leather quality.
Tignan mo, Vibram din yung ilalim.
Ah,
So,
nice.
The collab of collabs.
Were you able to wear this, huh?
No. Tried it on. I can't bring myself to wear it. Ayokong magdumihan. Some sneakers just, I can't wear some sneakers and this is one of them.
So yun, actually, mechanics na natin. Ilabas mo yung pang-raffle natin. Pang-raffle.
Ito.
Ayan. So again, we have the Nike Moon Racers. So all you guys have to do is, number one, subscribe to our YouTube channels. The link to Sean's channel can be found down below. Leave a comment as well, sharing which of the sneakers that you guys like the most, or if you have your favorite New Balance shoe, what is it and why? Yeah. So kung wala pa kayo favorite, just pick among the sneakers that we showed you.
Yes.
If you already have your favorite, then just share it with us in the comment section. Include your IG handle as well. We will be picking the winner next Saturday. So this will be published, I don't know, on a Saturday or on a Sunday, but we will be drawing the winners soon. So again, subscribe, and then leave a comment down below on what is your favorite New Balance sneaker, or what is the sneaker here that we just showed you that you guys like the most. Okay guys, so that's actually it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. As usual, peace, God bless.
What's up?
Boom.